Bob Anderson. I'm with Construction Accessories Incorporated, and we make the JackJaw line of stake and post pullers. And if you're watching this video, you have either ordered a JackJaw 500 series or maybe already received it. When you get it, you'll be in a box like this, your JackJaw 500 series. So the way you open it, just pull it up and be careful of the staples. They are sometimes sharp. Open it up. And first thing you'll find is an operating instruction and assembly brochure. Pull the JackJaw out, just grab the unit and pull it out of the box, set it on the table. And most of the JackJaws will go together about the same way. You want to separate the arms like this with the jaws facing each other on the outside of the base. That's where the post is going to be anyway. Will be on the outside of the base, and then the jaws grab the post that you're trying to pull. But start there. Pull the lever arm out. The tape, it's back, and you'll find taped to the box is an assembly bolt pack. A large short bolt, a skinny long bolt, a nut to go on this one, and a nut for that one. This is a 1/2 inch bolt. These are 3/8, and a washer. It goes together. You start with the pivot bolt, which is the big one. It's a 1/2 inch, the short fat one. You slide the post over, or the lever arm over the post at the pivot point and put the big bolt in. Push it all the way through, like that, and then reach around and start the nut. Turn it on until you can. And then we're going to do this one a little differently. We use 3/4 inch wrenches on the 1/2 inch bolt, 2 of them. We'll tighten this up until it's snug. So the next step is you take the long skinny bolt, it's a 3/8 bolt, and you put it through the link arm and then through the front of the lever arm. Bring the other link arm up, put it on the bolt, put a washer on here. So with this one, the front bolt is a 3/8, and so you use 2 9/16 wrenches. And you just tighten this until it's snug. Like that, snug. And then back it off 1/2 turn. And the reason for that is that makes this move freely when you back it off 1/2 turn, but it holds it tight enough that it creates, when you raise the handle, it always ensures that the jaws are going the right direction. Okay, that's a completed assembly. One thing else I want to show you about the JackJaw 500 series, the reason you probably bought this one is because you've got some very tough soils from which you want to pull stakes or signs or something. And this one has extra leverage. This model, when you push it down on it, if you used it this way, you would have a leverage of 16-1. But the nice thing about the 500, you pull this pin out, it has a built-in extension handle, which we can make when we put the pin back in out here. Now we have a leverage of 28-1. What that means literally is when I push down with 100 pounds on the handle here, and you've grabbed onto a signpost, push down with 100 pounds here, you get 2,800 pounds straight up on the sign. And we have found very few signs that we can't pull with this monster. So this is why you buy the 500. So it's ready to go. You're ready to go to work? Go to work.